everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now from the thumbnail and from the title you all must be wondering that recently Meghna just announced, that is I have just announced that I am not getting the deliveries and all. Then how come I am here with the haul video? Then I am just clearing one thing, these products are not just recently purchased, these are the products like I am gathering from last 2 to 3 months, no not 2 to 3 months, 1 or 2 months. And if you at all feel that I am showing off or I am telling you that I have money and you cannot purchase the thing, then I am extremely sorry. I am not intending to do all this. It is just my part of duty, that is it is just my part of job that I have I have to review the products or else I have to compare the products, and that is why I need to purchase the products, because without purchasing or without reviewing and all, I cannot tell you which one is better or no, right? And that is why I have to go ahead and purchase the products from different websites, and that is why I come up with such kind of hauls. And if you at all feel that this is not your kind of videos, then please you can skip the video, you can go to my channel. There are a lot of other videos which you can enjoy and which you can cherish also, right? Now without blabbering much, I'll just request you, if you have not yet subscribed, please don't wait, kindly go ahead and subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button, next to it there is a small bell icon, you can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since this is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also for subscribing. And if at all you want to DM me for anything, I'll give you my Instagram also, handle also over here, you can DM me over there also. Now let's begin with the video. The first thing which I want to show you, which I have already reviewed on my channel, and it is from Bella Voste. It is their 6 lipstick, total 12 lipsticks. 6 lipsticks are regular mini lipsticks and 6 lipsticks are their exotic lipsticks. Both the videos are already up on my channel. If you have not watched any of the review video, whatever possible, I'll link that videos up in the I button. I'm just disclaiming right now only. I'll link that video up in the I buttons, as well as it will be in the description box. And if at all you cannot find the videos in the description box as well, don't worry. Each and every video will be assigned to some particular playlist. If it is a new launch, it will be in the new launch playlist. If it is a review video, then it will be under review video. If it is something comparison, then it will be under comparison playlist. So you can definitely go ahead and you can check all these different playlists and you can find the videos. These are the total I directly actually got from Bella Voste's website. You can see these are the total 12 lipsticks which I had ordered. Okay, and all this lipsticks review is already up on my channel. And if at all I bend down or something, then don't mind, I'm just bending to get my products, because few of my products are kept over here down, because I cannot keep everything on my desk, so few of the products are kept over here, and whichever I'm showing you, I'm just keeping it aside so that it won't occupy much space over here. Right now, yes, I forgot to tell you, if at all you are wondering which lipstick I have applied, then it is from this particular range. It is from Color by Cuties. It is in the shade Fall in Love 057. Okay, this is the lipstick what I have applied, because I do get lot of questions and sometimes I forget which lipstick I had applied, and then I have to do research and all. So just clearing that out. The second products are from Flipkart. So I'm showing you the website wise. Okay, first I have shown you Bella Voste, which I got directly from their website. Now I'm showing you Flipkart. I have already reviewed this Nova hair curling iron. If at all you have missed, you can definitely go. How I felt, what I felt, and everything I have covered in that video. This is actually the cheapest curling iron available on Flipkart. I guess I paid 171 rupees for this particular iron. So definitely a must watch video, and what is the result and all, definitely don't miss that video. So this is the second product from Flipkart. The third product which I got is again from Flipkart. It is this Rene Cosmetics. It is makeup removing balm, which is for 30 grams. This is the third product or whatever. Okay, it is their makeup removing balm, and it's from Rene Cosmetics. Okay, and it is from Flipkart. I forget what I want to say. Does it happen with you also sometimes? What you want to say you forget? It happens with me lot of times. Now the next product which I want to show you is a nail art kit. This is the nail art kit which I got from Flipkart. This is basically an experiment and I've already reviewed this product and I like this product. This is very good, affordable product. If at all you want to experiment something on nail art part, then definitely this is a must buy from Flipkart. I got it from Flipkart, and if you want to have the buying link and all, you can directly go to that particular video. In that video I have given you each and every link, but still if you want any link in this video, let me know in the comment section. I will be giving you, because linking all these products will be difficult, but if at all you want any particular like product link, you can definitely let me know, right? So this is Flipkart done. Now we'll move towards Nykaa. I actually just forgot to get one more box. I'll just come back and I'll get the other box from Nykaa. I'll just come back. Yeah, I'm so sorry, I forgot to get the box. Now I got everything to show you. Okay, the next is Nykaa, as I told you. This is the kajal. This is their black magic kajal, which is a new launch. Already done a review video and I got this for around 170, so this was on something discount. I'm not sure. I got this kajal and already reviewed this, so definitely you can go ahead and you can watch that video. The next product is this. It is the V-John foundation, which is, like, you can say the cheapest foundation available on Nykaa. Yes, you heard me right. This is the cheapest foundation. It is for 45 rupees and the net content is 60 grams. And definitely, was it a hit or was it a miss? If you have not watched, I'll definitely request you go ahead and watch this video. You will either save your money or you will spend your money. So that's a suspense. So for that you have to go and watch that video, right? Because each and everything if I'll tell you in this video, then it is of no use making the whole review video, right? That is why. Now these are the 3 eyebrow pencils which I got from Nykaa. One is from In Color Cosmetics, one is from Miss Claire, and one is from Swiss Beauty. These are the 3 eyebrow pencils. Already compared all together 3 eyebrow pencils in a separate video. Again, whatever videos are available like possible, I'll link that video up, or else you can check the description. So this is the next packet what I wanted to discuss. So one more down. The next parcel is again from Nykaa. Actually, I forgot to get this box. Now I am here with the box. Here are actually some best goodies. First, it is this HP Bronzen lip filler brush. Actually, I have lot of brush sets, but when I set and checked, not a single brush set was containing a lip brush. That was very strange to me. So I got this particular lip filling brush. Sometimes if I want to fill up the lips or something, like if I want to do something creative on my lips, then how? So that is why I got this lip brush from Bronzen, and it is, I guess, for 100 rupees, but I paid, I guess, 80 rupees. And this all products right now you can purchase from Nykaa, because Nykaa is already having a sale. It is Summer Super Saver Days, I guess, right? Not a sponsored video from Nykaa. I got everything from my own money. Each and every box has the bill and everything. Like even this box has the bill. So don't call me for anything, right? The next product is actually a free product. I'll show you first the product and then I'll show you the free product. Okay. Now this is the best product of this haul, and basically I was waiting for this product, but I'll tell you the tragedy with this product. Okay, it is the Nykaa, y'all can see, sealed with a kiss, a lip palette. Okay, it is a limited edition pack, all you need. This is the new launch from Nykaa. Yes, you heard me right. This lip cereal, this sealed with kiss is actually their previous launch, but in this particular range they have launched one new palette. This is all you need. This is the outer packaging and this retails for 799 rupees. I ordered this and it looks like something like you can see. Now the tragedy part is, can you see over here? I'm not sure whether the camera will capture. Can you see? It is cracked from here. Now you will say this is not a big deal, you can definitely keep this. Yes, I can keep this, but what if at all some pressure comes on this and this whole plastic breaks off, then the lip palette will be waste, right? That is why I have already launched a complaint to Nykaa. They will take this lip palette back and I am going to place a fresh order. So again you have to wait for some days, because already the orders are coming very late. Please bear with me. For you all only I have ordered this lip palette. show you the swatches and everything, right? So for you all, already I have ordered this, so please bear with me, stay tuned to my channel, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe, and you can wait for this video. Definitely the video will be live pretty soon. I'm trying my level best to get the parcel soon, right? And if at all you feel right now my energy is little low, it is already very late in the night and I'm shooting in the night and I'm already tired, I'm already off for the day, but still I wanted to show you all products, that is why I'm shooting, so please, sorry. So this is the palette and I'm going to return this palette and I'm going to get a fresh one. Sorry if I'm repeating. So with this palette, because Nykaa was having an offer that with above 700 shopping you will get a kajal. This kajal is already reviewed, I have already shown you that kajal, so again I will be getting this kajal. This I have to return, of course, because that is the free product with the palette. When you are returning the palette, you have to return the free item, of course. Then I'm returning this kajal also. Then I'm sure right now, till now, the palette, with the palette this is free, but I'm not sure they will send me or whatever. So this is the free kajal. The best deal what I got during this particular haul is this. This is Lakme 925 Primer Plus Primer Matte Powder Foundation, and the shade which I got is 05 Honeydew. You all can see. Now you all will say ki Meghna, this is not a recent launch, this is a like 2 years old product or something. Then yes, this is not a recent launch. I was not having this product, but I have an idea of one particular video, and for that video only I got this product, and the shade which I got is Honeydew. So one surprise video is going to come, and this is a powder foundation, so you can keep on guessing. If you have guessed, let me know in the comment section what you have guessed, why I have got this particular powder foundation and like for which video. Okay, let's see whether you can guess or not. So this is the next parcel from Nykaa down. Now we will talk about Amazon first. Amazon. Okay, now from Amazon I got this the overhyped product, which is from Sunisa. So even bill is also here. It is from Sunisa. Already done a separate review video. You can see the packaging and everything. So was it a hit or was it a miss? Did I spend my money worth, or was it a worth or no? You can check that video and how I looked and everything. You should watch that video because that's going to be a entertaining video. Yeah, I'm telling you, it is going to be an entertaining video. So this is the next product from Amazon. One more product down. The next, I'll just gather all the packets. Okay, yeah, and like with the Nykaa, I forgot because I have kept in this purple's box, but Nykaa, from Nykaa itself I got this all 3 compact, which is from Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder. Okay, and I have done a comparison video of all these 3 shades, 230, 310 and 330. These 3 powders I have already made a comparison video also. This is also going to be a very useful video for the people who are confused between these 3 shades. Of course, in this they have total 7 shades. Come on yaar, I cannot get all the 7 shades, so I got 3 shades to just compare and which one is better for a person who is from medium to dusky skin. So for that only I got this 3 compacts. So this is basically from Nykaa. Of course, this is available anywhere. You can get it from Amazon also. Wherever you get proper deal, best deal, you can save your some buckaroos. Go ahead and you can buy. Now you will say, why buckaroos? Buckaroos means money. Yes, right, money is everything. Now we'll talk about Purple. Okay, from Purple I just got 4, no not 4, there are few more. I have one more video idea planned already, and for that only I got this Shiny Pearl Water Drop Blemish Balm BB. That is what is written from Swiss Beauty. The shade in this I got is 04. I don't know, I'm not sure the name, but 04. Okay, so this is the BB cream what I got from Purple, a Swiss Beauty. Now a surprise, I got my concealer back. I have restocked it. This is a Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer 01 Warm Sand. You all can see. Right now, if you have seen my empties video, in that already I had discussed that I am not planning to buy this concealer right now because I have 3 to 4 concealers. But of course, when I saw this concealer on Purple's website, I couldn't stop myself and I was like, let's spend So I got this concealer back as the backup. So whatever is left in that old tube, I'll just finish it off because I have now new backup, and because since this is going to be like expiring in April 24, so till April 24 I can use this. So I have a backup now. I'm very happy for that. Okay. Again, these products are not reviewed, but I have some idea in my mind. This is a Swiss Beauty Jelly Eyeshadow. It is in the, I don't know the shade number. I'm not sure where it is written, but I'll mention in the description box or maybe on the screen. I'll give you the number, which number I got. It is the Jelly Eyeshadow. I'll try to open for you so that you can just see the packaging. Okay, it comes in this kind of packaging. I'm so sorry, I cannot see the number over here. I'll just mention it on the screen. Actually, I got this shade. Okay, so this is the Swiss Beauty Jelly Eyeshadow. I have an idea working on that particular video, so you will get a good video pretty soon. Again, I got a Swiss Beauty loose pigment foil from Purple itself, and same, I'll mention the shade in the maybe on the screen or maybe on the description box, so you can check. Okay, this is the loose pigments. I'll show you how it looks. You all must have seen, these are not recently launched product, but since as I told you I have some video idea. Okay, yeah, it is in this shade 09. Yeah, in this it is written. So these are the loose pigments, right? So this is the next box down from Purple. I'll just keep this box aside so that otherwise I will break my powders. So one more video down, one more parcel down. Next, yes, now basically these are not recently launched product, but I would like to show you all. I was not having any kind of white kajal, so that is why, sorry, I'll just keep my hair aside. Okay, and that is why I was hearing lot of I was hearing lot of people praising this particular kajal. This is NYB Long Island water resistant, smudge proof, dermatologically tested white kajal. I've even not opened yet, so I got this white kajal. I have one kajal from, no, not one, I have few kajal from Wet n Wild, which is in the nude color, not nude, which color I forgot. One is chestnut is the lip liner. There are 2-3 brown, and other one is skin color, but that is not white, beige color kind. So I have that, but I was not having white, so I ordered that. Then when I went, once I was just searching Purple's website, I saw an offer that if you are ordering anything from Sugar for 599 rupees, you will get a bronzer free. And the bronzer was actually for my particular skin tone. It was in the 02 shade Woody Wonder. So I ordered all set to go banana powder. I was not having any kind of banana powder in my collection, and I wanted to have it just as a option, because if I'm planning to do some video on some loose powders, or maybe that all ideas I have in my mind, so for that purpose I require options. So for that I got this particular, you all must have seen this. This is not of course new launch. This is all set to go banana powder, which I got from Purple of Sugar, and I got this bronzer absolutely free. This is the bronzer, and it is actually very perfect for my type of skin. And I am having a subtle summit. Now you will say, Meghna, you have already one palette, so in that you have a bronzer. Yes, I have that bronzer. I have cross verified with the palette. That bronzer shade is different and this is different. In that there is 01 shade of bronzer, and this is 02 Woody Wonder. So this is not with me. So I just confirmed it and then I placed an order. So this basically is not for review purpose. This is for some other time when I want to go for some comparison or something, make some comparison. For that I got this. So this is next parcel of Purple, and the last one is again from Purple, because as I told you I'm going site wise. So now this is something bubble wrap. I got this thing basically NY Bay. I got this two things from NY Bay. Separate video is going to come. One is their cuticle oil and one is their quick drying drops. This is the quick drying drops, okay, and one is their cuticle oil. I was not having any kind of cuticle oil, so definitely for that I got this product, and I am going to review this quick drying drops in front of camera. I'm going to show you whether it is worth the money or no. If it is worth the money, then you can pair this with the Flipkart nail art kit, which I got the nail art kit. You can apply the nail art and you can apply this quick drying coat, so that your nail art and everything gets dry quicker. So that is why I got this, just to check whether it is worth the money or no. For that I'll be coming with a separate video, not yet filmed or not yet done anything with the video, but definitely stay tuned. I'm going to make a separate review video for this also. So yes, basically I have shown you each and every, this is the last parcel. I have shown you each and everything what I got in last 1 or 2 months. If at all you feel, again I'm telling you, again I'm disclaiming, if you feel I'm showing off or I'm blabbering too much, then I'm extremely sorry. Please forgive me. You can skip this video, watch the other video plus, but please don't discourage me by giving thumbs down or anything. Please go ahead and watch some other videos, and if you have anything to ask me, or else if you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, that also you can leave in the comment, or else you can DM me as well. And if you have not yet subscribed, please don't wait, just give a subscribe to my channel, and don't go without liking this video. Your one like will encourage me to make 100 videos. So your one like matters a lot to me. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.